Good day. Today we are visiting Somabula. If you are hoping for a camping spot with heated pools, super tubes and entertainment centers, this is unfortunately not the place for you. On the other hand, if you would like to camp in the bush, not hear your neighbors snore, hear the birds waking you up in the morning, then Somabula is just the place. Especially considering that for people staying in South Africa and Gauteng on the East Rand, Pretoria, Johannesburg, Somabula is less than an hour's drive and it truly feels like you're in the middle of the bush with giraffes, antelope and ample nature. Let's see what Somabula is about. Somabula is slightly more than an hour's drive from Johannesburg and the East Rand. It is about 40 minutes drive from Pretoria and the closest town is Cullinan. The entry road into Somabula from the main road is a G-track, but it is paved. It will therefore not be an issue for a road caravan, even though travelling this road might be a bit slow. This will carry on all the way to reception and for most of the main roads in the reserve. The road to the campsites itself is not paved, but again in a very good condition. Somabula has 6 campsites. None of these campsites have electricity and you will therefore have to be self-sufficient. There are, however, bathrooms which are supplied with hot water coming from gas. The Ear campsite uses solar power. There is also lighting at these ablution facilities supplied by solar. The sites are fairly large and well separated. You will not have to camp on your neighbor's stoop. For our international viewers, that means that you do not have to camp on your neighbor's porch. You've got a fair amount of privacy, a lovely big braai place, and wonderful bush surrounding you. Let's look at these campsites. All in all, there's 6 campsites, with the first called Luri, which can house a smallish caravan because of limited shade. That being said, a fairly large caravan will easily fit on the stand. This stand shares its bathroom with its neighbor, Barbet site. Apparently the Barbet site is for tenting only, although it will definitely be able to cope with caravans. There's ample space and a fair amount of shade. The shared bathroom is split in the middle, with each half having its own door and keys. The Bulbul site is close to a second site and is ideal for a group of 2 caravans that would like to be close together. The Hornbill site has got ample shade and all sites have got a big braai area supplied with a braai grid and a spade. These 2 sites share bathroom facilities which consist out of 2 flush toilets and 2 separate showers that are heated by gas. This particular campsite called Kingfisher is most probably one of the most private sites. It is fairly small as far as shade goes, but has ample space. It is totally separate from the other sites, surrounded by bush, and you've got real privacy. The only drawback being that you are fairly close to this area, which is the Fish Eagle entertainment area, which has got a beautiful view of the dam. Eager campsite is my favorite. This is where I camped. This site is about 100 meters from its closest neighbor. It's got private bathrooms, which will cost you a bit more. Solar geyser, so if there's a lot of shade, you will have only lukewarm water. It's got beautiful views and is very private. Somabula is really and truly worth a visit. We enjoyed our stay, drove the 4-wheel drive tracks, saw plenty of animals including tsetse, eland, blue wildebeest, impala and giraffe. You can hike where you want, you can travel all the roads in the reserve and have plenty of nature fun.